Hello NEET Pages parents, you are watching official YouTube channel of Shiva Learning. You all can also visit us on www.shivalearning.in for more details. So this is the video about Uttar Pradesh NEET PG medicals admissions. Let me tell you clearly that Uttar Pradesh is an open state where other state students can also apply for the counseling, okay? And there is one more important thing, then there is a common merit list for all the students, either you are domicile or you are the non-domicile students, okay? So there is an equal opportunity to get the seat in this stage, either the domicile or non-domicile candidate, okay? Let me tell you clearly, there is a note points there. Students who have rank below 17K then try for the clinical branches in government college by state quota 50% काउंसलिंग. इट मीन्स कि जिन बच्चों का रैंक जो है 17,000 के नीचे है वो स्टेट कोटा 50% काउंसलिंग से गवर्नमेंट क्लिनिकल ब्रांच के लिए अप्लाई कर सकते हैं इन द गवर्नमेंट कॉलेज, ओके. So they can get those some branches. I mean to the students who have rank of 17K, 16K, they can get the lower clinical branch, and the students who have very good rank, they can get the higher clinical branch. Okay. So this video is not for the students who have rank below 17K. They can try in other state or they can try in Uttar Pradesh for the government colleges. Okay. So admissions is done through the Uttar Pradesh PG Medical Admissions means UPDGME, and the official website is upneet.gov.in, from where you can do your registration, choice filling and counseling etc. Okay. So let's see the list of the private PG medical colleges in Uttar Pradesh with total fee 3 years. Okay. So there are total 7 colleges are there which have the fees below 43 lakhs. It means total 7 colleges are there which have fees below 43 lakhs. This is the fees only. There is a separate hostel fees which is 1.75 lakhs per annum, and there is a miscellaneous of 1.2 lakhs per annum. And also in first year there is a 5 lakh security deposits. Okay, this is in first year itself, and this is refundable, or either it will get adjusted in the last year. Okay, so these 7 colleges are Subharti Medical College Meerut, Mayo Institute of Medical Science Barabanki, Rajshri Medical College Bareilly, Hind Institute of Medical Science Sitapur, Heritage Institute of Medical Science Varanasi, Rama Medical College Hapur, and Rama Medical College Kanpur. Okay, these total 7 colleges are there which have the fees under 43 lakhs. Now let's see what are the score required in this session 2021 to get these colleges. So marks required for these colleges is 270 to 455. It means the students who have marks near about 420, 430, 440, 450 etc, they will get the top branches. What I am trying to say, top clinical branches. Okay, top clinical branch, and the students who have marks near about 270, 280, 300, they are eligible for lower clinical branches. Lower clinical, okay, with the same fees. The fees in these colleges is equals for all the branches, either for radio or skin or ENT or anesthesia or psychiatry or ophthal or OBG, all the branches having the same fees, which is approximately 14 lakhs per annum. Okay, in Subharti Medical College fees is 13.8 itself, okay, and other colleges the fees is 14.2 lakhs per annum. Okay, so I think you got my point what I am trying to say. Okay, now let's talk about the rank. I mean, what are the rank you are going to require to get these colleges. So if you're talking about rank, your rank should be 28,000 to 50,000 for top clinical branches. If you want to get admitted in these colleges, then your rank should how much? 28,000 to 50,000 for top clinical branch, and for lower clinical branch it will go up to 65,000. How much I am telling? 65,000. Okay, so these are the details for these 7 colleges, okay, which have fees below 43 lakhs for all 3 years. Hostel is separate and miscellaneous is separate. Okay, Now let's see for the other colleges which have fees under 73 lakhs. So there are total 6 colleges, which is Saraswati Medical College, Hapur, SRM Bareilly, Sharda University Greater Noida, Rohilkhand Medical College Bareilly, Muzaffarnagar Medical College and Hind Institute of Medical Science Barabanki. Okay. So there are total 6 colleges are there which have fees near about 60 lakhs, 72 lakhs, 75 lakhs, 67 lakhs and 69 lakhs and 73 lakhs. It means the Saraswati Medical College Hapur having the fees of 19.2 per annum, SRM Bareilly 24.75 per annum, Sharda University Greater Noida 24 per annum, Rohilkhand Bareilly 23 per annum, Muzaffarnagar Medical College 23 per annum, Hind Institute of Medical Science Barabanki 24 per annum, 24.2. Okay. So these are the colleges with their fees structures. Okay, these are other categories. 6 colleges are there which have fees more than 20 lakhs or near about 20 lakhs. Okay, for all the branches there is the same fees in these 6 colleges. Okay, marks required, if you're talking about marks required, then your marks should be 250 420. How much out of 800 for this year? For this year, if you're talking about ranking, then your rank should be 45,000. Okay, 45,000 to 60,000 for top clinical branches. I'm talking about top clinical. अगर आपका रैंक इतना है तो आपको इन कॉलेजेस में एडमिशंस मिल जाएंगे with this budget. Okay, let me again tell you, this fees doesn't include the hostels and miscellaneous and hostel is not included. That hostel is 1.75 for non-SC you have to pay, and miscellaneous is 1.2 per annum you have to pay. Marks required is given and rank required is given. Okay, I will tell later in this video separately branch wise rank required also. Okay, now let's for third category college in Uttar Pradesh. Okay, which is minority college. Okay, so if you're talking about minority colleges, then let's see the fees structure. For MD radio diagnosis, the fees is 40 lakhs per annum. For ERA Medical College Lucknow, one of the finest campus of Uttar Pradesh, I mean UP का सबसे अच्छा कॉलेज है, but the fees is also high. For MD Medicine 40, Pediatrics 36, Orthopediatrics 40, OBG 40, ENT 20, Ophthalmology 36, MS General Surgery 32, and MD Anesthesiology 15, Respiratory Medicine 30, Patho 11, and Psychiatry 25. Okay, so these are the fees structure for ERA Medical College. Okay, I will tell the cutoff and marks required later in the video. And TMU Moradabad, the same fees approximately 40 for radio medicine, 40 pediatrics 36, orthopediatrics 36, OBG 34, ENT 25, ophthalmology 31, general surgery 40, anesthesiology 18, respiratory 27. So these are the fees structure in TMU. Okay, now let's see about the other colleges. For psychiatry, the fees is 21.6 only, and if you're talking about Career Institute of Medical Science Lucknow, then the fees for radio is 39 lakhs per annum, and OBG is not there. And general medicine, if you're talking about general medicine, fees is 35. For general surgery, fees is 26. For skin, fees is 32, and for orthopediatrics, fees is 35. And for pediatrics, the fees is 29. Ophthalmology, the fees is 24. And for psychiatry, the fees is 16.9. Okay, same way for Integral University. If you're talking about Integral University, then there is the OBG branch having the fees of 30 lakhs per annum. There is the anesthesiology, the fees is 18 per annum, and also there is ophthalmology, the fees is 25 per annum. Okay, for FH Medical College Agra, if you're talking about Agra FH Medical College, for radio diagnosis it is 40 lakhs per annum, and for general medicine it is 39, and for general surgery it is 27. Okay, for if you're talking about ophthalmology, then fees is 30.5, and for psychiatry the fees is 21.5. okay, so this is for FH Medical College Agra. Okay, so these are the fees details. Okay, if you're talking about marks required in minority college, then it is 230 to say 230 to 370. Okay, so this is the marks required in these minority colleges. Okay, I think you are getting what I'm trying to say. Okay, what are the counseling and registrations? Okay, so still your exam is not happened, so, and once your exam happens, the results near the results date, the registration you have to do at upneet.gov.in. okay, this is the official website. Registration and then merit list and then choice filling and then results and then visit the college for admissions. Okay, and again the process is counseling, registration, merit list, and then choice filling and then seat allotment. Documents required at the time of the counseling at the college admission. These are the documents required while taking the admissions at the college. Okay, so I hope you are getting the points what I'm trying to say. Okay, so let's see the branch wise closing ranks in the last year. Okay, so if you're talking about the branch wise closing ranks in the last year, okay, so let's see the details. These are the colleges which have the fees under 43 lakhs, excluding the hostel and miscellaneous fees. For radiology, the closing ranks was 27360. For general medicine, it is 49876. And for skin, it is 29560. For MD pediatrics, it is 52455. For general surgery, it is 68922. For ophthalmology, it is 70915. For orthopedic, it is 56610. For OBG, it is 42560. For MSCNT, it is 71399. For MD anesthesiology, it is 81315. For respiratory medicine, it's 60123. So these are the cutoff which have the college, which are the 7 colleges I told in the video at first. Okay, having the fees 14 per annum. Okay, now let's see about the cutoff or the closing ranks of last year for the colleges having the fees of 20 to 24 lakhs per annum, which are total 6 colleges are there. Okay, ये जो 6 colleges आपके बताए गए हैं, ये these are the 6 colleges. These are the 6 colleges. Okay, so let's see the cutoff details of the closing ranks for these colleges. So closing ranks for these colleges, for anesthesia it was around 75,000. For ENT it was around 80,000. Okay, and for psychiatry it was around 79,000. For radiodiagnosis it was around 35,000. And for general surgery it was around 83,000. For OBG, for obs and gynae, it was around 57,000. For orthopedics, it was around 68,000. For respiratory medicine, it was around 64,000. For general medicine, it was around 54,000. For skin, it was around 34,000. And for pediatrics, it was around 56,000. So these are the cutoff details, I mean to say closing ranks in the last year for these 6 colleges. Okay, so I mean to say here you don't need to get upset. I mean see आपको upset नहीं होना है, बहुत ज़्यादा फीस नहीं है, 20 लाख 22 लाख 24 लाख रुपए फीस है, और अगर आपका रैंक 70,000 से 75,000 से 40,000 से 45,000 से, तो भी आपको टॉप के ब्रांचेस मिल सकते हैं और आप अपनी स्टडी कर सकते हैं. ओके, नाउ लेट्स सी द क्लोजिंग रैंक्स फॉर द क्लिनिकल ब्रांच इन द माइनॉरिटी कॉलेज. अगर हम माइनॉरिटी कॉलेज की बात करते हैं, जो 5 कॉलेजेस हैं, what are the 5 colleges are there? So let's see the cutoff details. If you're talking about the pediatrics, then it was approximately 60,168. Okay, and for skin it was around 50,000. For general medicine it was around 66,000. For respiratory medicine it was around 68,000. For orthopedics it was around 92,000. For Obs and gynae, it was around 59,000. For general surgery, it was around 92,000. For radio diagnosis, it was around 54,000. And for psychiatry, it was around 79,000. For ENT, it was around 80,000. For ophthalmology, it was around 70,000. For anesthesia, it was around 78,000. Okay. सो आई मीन टू से मैं रैंकिंग को ऐसे नहीं बताया हूँ कि जैसे कि 70,451. ओके, देयर इज नियर कट ऑफ आई टोल्ड यू, जिससे आप इजिली गेस कर सकते हैं. ओके, सो ये आपकी जो है माइनॉरिटी कॉलेजेस की क्लोजिंग्स रैंक्स रही लास्ट ईयर की. इस साल के लिए जो एक्सपेक्टेड मार्क्स था, ठीक है, वो चीज मैंने आपको बता दिया. माइनॉरिटी कॉलेजेस में जो माइनॉरिटी कॉलेजेस में आपकी जो मार्क्स की रिक्वायरमेंट रहेगी वो 230 टू 370 रहेगी. 230 टू 370 के बीच में अगर आप लाते हैं और अगर आपका बजट इतना है, then there is no doubt you are going to get your dream branch in this state. Okay, so I hope इतना डेटा आपके लिए उत्तर प्रदेश नीट काउंसलिंग के लिए बहुत ज़्यादा है. इतने में आप सफिशिएंट काउंसलिंग कर सकते हैं. For any doubt or any queries or for the counseling queries, you can call us 6307064744. Okay. So thank you for watching. Okay. Keep studying because your exam is near.